Hello, my name is Ashley.Lundy. I'm here today to do a quick tour of a new 2014 Sunstar 24N that we just acquired. This is a short Class A, but with a lot of space in it. It has 3 slides and some nice modern features such as side cameras as well as backup camera. You'll see lots of windows, really open space, full-size couch, large flat screen TV, lot of counter space. This one is huge for counter space, lots of drawers. You also have a nice walk-around queen-size bed. There's more counter space, lots of drawers, full wardrobe that has its own slide out here. Right? You have areas next to the bed. You can set all your gadgets there. RV fridge by Norcold. And this here is the bathroom. If you want to take a little peek in there. Nice corner shower with a little bench inside there. More counter space. So this is just a quick little look at our 2014 Sunstar here. You can see it's got beautiful full body paint on it. Lots of storage underneath as well. Full-size awning, we just don't have that out today. And even storage access in the back. So if you have any questions about this one, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, my name is Ashley.Lundy here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. And you are welcome to call me direct at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.